Hi all, Nadine here. I am going to show you how to do a double treble. In UK terms that would be a triple treble. Say that 10 times fast and we'll be all good. um, so as usual, you get your yarn, this is worsted weight, and your hook. This is a 5mm US H. I don't know if you can see that, if I can get this thing to focus. Oop, that's definitely not the right direction. Somewhere around there. Either way, I can't get it to focus right. Oh well. So anyway, just like usual, you start off with a slip knot, and we're going to do I think only 5 chains this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because these are really tall stitches, so I don't want to be doing a lot of them, but it'll be plenty to show what we need to do. So the last one, you needed to go up 4 chains, but now we need to go up 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we need to yarn over 3 times, and in the 6th chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 chain from the hook, and you grab the yarn, and now you have 5 loops on your hook. And just like the other stitches, you yarn over, you pull it through 2, you pull through 2, you pull through 2, you pull through 2. And just like that. It's quite a long stitch. I'll grab my trusty dusty little tape measure that I've had for I have no idea how many years, and just give you an idea. This stitch is over 1 inch high. You can see that? It's just over 1 inch high. So it's again yarn over 3 times. That's a double treble. And put your hook through and pull it through. So now you have 5 loops in your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. I almost got ahead of myself there. Yarn over 3 times, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2 again. So yarn over 3 times for the double treble. Put your hook through and pull it through. So now you have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull it through 2, yarn over, pull it through 2, yarn over, pull it through 2, yarn over and pull it through 2. And once more, 2 and 3, and yarn over, grab the hook, grab the yarn, pull through, pull through, pull through, and pull it through. So there we go. That's quite a stitch we got going on there. We got 2.5 inch, or 1.5 inches ish is what we got going on. Like by the time you come out of the turn, it gets a little bit taller. So now, to get up to the top of the next row, you chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And like the other ones, you turn it over, yarn over 1, 2, and 3. And in the top of the last double treble, you put your yarn through the 2 stitches, and you grab your yarn, pull it through, and then you yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. 1, 2, 3, through, and there you go. You can get some, like this is a huge stitch. It's quite a lacy kind of stitch going on. So we'll just make a couple of more, just so you get the hang of it. So yarn over 3 times. So you have 4 loops on your hook. And grab your yarn, pull it through. So now you have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And 3. And grab and pull and grab and pull and grab and pull and grab and pull. And so you can get quite a large piece of, if you're going for like a quick scarf or something, you can get quite a bit of done fairly quickly. Like you get the tallness out of it. So yeah, there we go. That was the double treble, and it is a T in charts with 3. It's a T shape with 3 lines in a chart. Like especially if you look at patterns in Japan or Russian patterns, they usually have a chart going on instead of written out patterns like we do in the States and Canada or even the UK. Yeah, and so you don't have to translate terms if you know what the chart symbols mean. You don't have to worry about knowing how to read Russian to be able to, or read Japanese to be able to understand what the pattern's saying, which is pretty useful. So anyway, that was it. Again, there we go. And if you liked the video, please hit the like button and give me a subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.